10 minutes. That's all. Not an hour on a mountain. Not years of practice. Not a retreat in silence. Just 10 minutes a day, done consistently, produces measurable, visible changes in the structure and function of your brain. That's not a wellness promise. That's what brain imaging studies now show. Most people think of meditation as a relaxation tool, something you do when you're stressed, like a mental bath. Feel better for a bit, then go back to normal. But that's not what's actually happening inside your brain when you meditate regularly. Here's what the neuroscience shows. When you meditate, even for short sessions, you activate a specific network in the brain. It's called the prefrontal cortex. This is the area responsible for focus, decision-making, emotional regulation, and impulse control. The more you activate it through meditation, the stronger and more efficient it becomes. At the same time, meditation reduces activity in a region called the amygdala. That's your brain's threat detection center. The part that fires when you feel anxious, overwhelmed, or reactive. Regular meditators show measurably lower amygdala reactivity, meaning smaller emotional reactions to the same stressors that used to feel overwhelming. But here's the finding that surprised neuroscientists most. A landmark study from Harvard Medical School found that just 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation produced visible changes in gray matter density. The hippocampus, involved in learning and memory, actually grew, and the amygdala shrank. 8 weeks, roughly 10 minutes a day. Structural brain changes you could see on a scan. Now here's why this matters beyond stress relief. Chronic stress, as we've discussed, keeps cortisol elevated. Elevated cortisol over time damages the hippocampus, impairs memory, and accelerates cognitive aging. Meditation directly counters this process. It is one of the very few interventions shown to actually protect brain tissue from stress-related deterioration. Research also shows that regular meditation improves attention span. In a world engineered to fragment your focus, where every app, notification, and scroll is competing for your attention, the ability to sustain concentration is becoming one of the rarest and most valuable cognitive skills you can have. And the sleep connection is significant too. Meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. It lowers heart rate. It reduces cortisol. It signals to your body that the threat has passed. Done in the evening, it creates the neurological conditions your brain needs to transition smoothly into deep sleep. Now, you don't need an app. You don't need a specific technique. The simplest form of meditation is this: sit comfortably, focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back. That's it. The act of noticing you've wandered and returning your attention is itself the exercise. That's the mental rep. The goal is not to empty your mind. The goal is to practice returning to the present moment. Over and over, until it becomes a reflex. 10 minutes a day, consistently, for 8 weeks. Your brain will not be the same. And the research shows why that's a very good thing.